Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to let you know that I'll be starting a newsletter this year where I'll be sharing all sorts of cool stuff with you. I usually post on platforms like Twitter, ArtStation, Facebook and Instagram, but I wanted to create like a central place where you can get all the info in one single email. So each month I'll be sending out an email with tips and tricks, links to awesome VFX I found that month, and updates on what I'm working on over at Patreon. I'm also working on some VFX courses behind the scene, and I'll be sharing the progress and updates on those in the newsletter as well. So if you're interested in staying up to date with all things VFX, head to my Gumroad and hit the subscribe button in the newsletter section. Thank you.